My experience before I had the knee replacement was way back in 1995. I ended up getting very, very sick with lupus, an arthritic condition. And so that disabled me completely from my work. I had a very, very difficult time in walking. My joints would hurt, and I was in constant pain, and it seems like no matter what medication I was given, I never felt free from pain. I didn't want to go to the stores because it was difficult to be walking. I would have to use a cane, and even though using a cane, it was very difficult. I couldn't drive. For a year and a half, I had to live with my parents to be taken care of because of the disability. This one day, my friend said, "You're having a lot of trouble going down the stairs, I've noticed, and trying to come up the stairs." And so she told that to her son, and he said, "Mom, why don't you tell her that I'm going to be having an appointment with a doctor, and probably she'd like to go and could end up talking to the doctor." So they had told me his 4 daughters had all gone to Dr. Robert Ferentz, and he had taken care of them. And they were just doing wonderful. Every single one of them, there was no complaint. So I said, I'll go and see what he tells me. So then I came to the doctor. He took x-rays on me, and he said, "You really are in great need of getting an operation on both knees." So that spurred me on right there, because I, not knowing that I was bow-legged, I guess I never paid attention to that. It was part of the deterioration that took place in my knees. And he said, "But don't worry about it, because when I do this operation, I am able to help you get your knees straightened up." And I just felt very secure, and I was very anxious to get my operation. My operation took place November 2nd of 2015, a total knee replacement of my left knee. The knee replacement has completely eliminated the pain. My surgery was done at Sinai-Grace Hospital, and my experience here at the hospital was just wonderful. I found everyone very caring, very concerned, making sure that I did my exercises. They were always very prompt at giving the medication at the right time. If I needed anything, just to make sure to push the button, and they would be here. If there were any questions that I wasn't sure about or needed clarification in, to always feel free to ask them. So I always felt very secure and very relaxed.